What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the HOMIEE inspection camera. I think it's HOMIEE. This is one of those things that will come in super handy if you have ever dropped anything in like a drain or somewhere that's really hard to get, maybe a vent, a crack in the floor, something. This one has a 2.31 inch LCD screen at 640 by 480. It's a 2 megapixel camera. The semi-rigid snake endoscope tube is about 3 feet long. It's IP67 waterproof, so you're not gonna have to worry about getting this thing damaged while you're using it. It has 8 LED brightness levels, and of course it comes in a cool little box that, you know, you can keep it in. Looks like on the top we've got, these are the different attachments that come with it. I'm not sure what these are, but this is a magnetic end which can come in really handy. Anything that's metal that's small enough to pick up with a magnet, this could come in really handy. You've got a basic fish hook, a double fish hook, and you have a little itty bitty mirror. So this will help you look around corners. Oh, that is nice looking. Look at that. Oh, cool. It's got a video out. You got a video cable, so you can do video out. So if the screen isn't cutting it for you, you have an external monitor or something that you want to plug it into, you can do so. It doesn't feel like the most rugged thing. You know, it's made of plastic. On the back, you've got your 4 AA batteries. You could probably put rechargeable ones in there. The handle has got a nice curve on it, so you can get a good grip. And then you've got the endoscope. Look at that. That'll get down in there. So this is the camera end. As you can see, there's a little tiny camera in there and there's 2 LEDs. You can just barely see them. Then you got your S-Video connection right there. I believe it's S-Video. Yeah, it's one of those. You just put it in there like so. Pull that up, tighten it down. Bam, you're good to go. Now we just need batteries. I didn't think I was gonna need batteries. I'm gonna grab some batteries. Okay, cool, well, it's working. Look at that. All right, let's turn on the light. Okay, so you can hit the light button. There's your light mode. It gets brighter and brighter all the way to there. That's pretty bright. It's also showing me battery indicator at the top. Oh, there we go. So you can adjust the brightness of the screen. Wow, this is super simple. So that's basically it. You got your 3 functions: brightness of the screen, brightness of the LED. You can rotate the actual video itself, and then you have your power button. And then there we go. And when you want to turn it on, you just hold it on, boom. Now there's a little tiny hole right here. So let's do, oh, that's what this is for. You attach the little pin inside of here, hold on, there, just to get the little end in, and then you slide this over it to hold it in place. Bam, there we go. So now I have a hook. Okay, well, let's give this a shot. Now, I'm not gonna go and try throwing anything down the sink as a test. I've got the next best thing. You got a couple earrings, I got a stud, and then this big, huge thing here. And we're going to stick it, in the very most unlikely place, and that's inside my guitar. So I'm going to take these and I'm gonna throw them down in there. I'm kind of worried that I might not find them, but let's go with the big one first. Yeah, it's in there. This thing is really stiff too. I mean, look at that. All right, let's get in there. Let's see what we got. Where is it? Where did it go? There it is. I found it. There it is. Come on. Be magnetic. I got it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yes! It works! Okay, we're dropping this one in now. All right, first we gotta find it. Where are you? Oh, it's all the way at the bottom. All the way at the bottom. Come on. Oh, I got it! Easy. Amazing, and there's a little dust in there. How about that? It works! It works pretty good. That magnetic thing is really nice. This thing is cool. It is super easy to use. Very super simple. This thing is gonna come in so handy. Maybe your wife or you took off your ring to wash your hand or something. Boom, it's down in the drain. It's gone. What are you gonna do? You're gonna grab an old coat hanger and try to fish it out? Nuh-uh. Grab this. Oh, look at this, and I totally forgot. There we go. Now it looks better. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.